Hello friends, today we will learn what is the importance of network proxy tool. There are three types of networking tools available: network logger, debugger, and proxy. Network logger tools are used to log network calls in local or remote system. New Relic, Firebase Puff, our loggers, and Lockcat of Android Studio. These are examples of network logger. Logging in local system is used only to see the network calls and verify few of the uh, parameters, whether they are sent or what is the response we are received. Logging in remote system is used to monitor the stability of API calls in overall system. Let's take an example that within 1 month most of our applications have made some network call to the server, and it is logged in our remote system, maybe using New Relic or Firebase Puff or some other analytics. In that case, I want to the use case is, let's how can we verify the success rate of any API call, or what is the major failures or errors in the network calls, and how we can improvise on that, and what is the request and response duration on an average. So the, for that purpose the network logger in remote system can be used. Then network debugger. These tools are used to debug local network calls in any, or we can say in local system only. The tools will be installed in local system. Examples are Stretho, Facebook, Flipper. And these tools are used to check API request response during development. And we can say it's not only to see the API request requests, it's to debug the API request response during development only. And generally this type of tool have good UI where we can see all the sequence of network calls, and that helps us for debugging. Then network proxy tool. Network proxy All the network proxy tools have capability of network debugger plus proxy server. Charles Proxy, Proxyman, Fiddler. These are few example of network proxy tools. This type of tools is used to verify the API request response during development. It can be used to intercept any request response, and it can be used to make any local or remote system as a server. So that the server is known as a proxy server. So we can say any local system or a remote system can work as a proxy server for our client. These are the major capabilities of proxy tool, and let's see how it will be helpful for us. Overall, we can say proxy tool speeds up the deliverables. How? It, it, it helps us to develop front-end platform independent of backend server. One thing is required, that is the contract. If we get the if the front-end team gets the contract, that means front-end developer can develop its feature, test it using the proxy tool, where this mock contract will be set up in the proxy tool, and the backend system back, okay, or the backend development will be still going on. So we can say by the time for any release, as the both front end and back end system are independent, so the development can be speed up. Only during last round of verification, both needs to be aligned. Otherwise, even the testing can be performed using this proxy tool. Second, we can say to develop and test the behavior of application with respect to different types of response and error without making any change in front end or back end. So only we need to make change inside the proxy tool, and we can verify the application behavior. And we can generally we have seen that for any smaller change, if we don't have this tool, then again we need to make code change and build it. So that time can, can be reduced with no need of code change. That means no need of build or deploy again. It helps us to figure out the root cause of any defect, and the defect can lie in the request or response. And as it helps us to figure out the root cause of defect easily, so we can figure out that whether the defect in which system, whether it is in front end system or back end system. And most of these tools give one more capability, that we can save the session, and we can use the tool session to analyze any defect. So overall we can say that uh, as front end and back end development are independent, obviously they are dependent while deploying, but not during development. That means development can be or development gets speed up. Similarly, as we can uh, track or get the upcoming issues categories upfront, and application behavior with respect to different response. So the defect in production environment gets reduced because those things is resolved during development or initial testing phase. So in this way, this tool speeds up our quality deliverables. It helps us to give the quality deliverables. Thank you.